Lord, if I find favor in your sight, sing, Lord, please hear my heart's cry. I'm desperately waiting to be where you are. Across the hottest desert, across the hottest desert, travel near or far, travel near or far, for your glory, for your glory. Okay. So today is hair wash day for my oldest daughter. And I wanted to come in and show you guys my little setup that I was referring to in the first video. Well, in the last 2 videos. No, anyways, scratch that. So I wanted to show you guys a little setup. My new setup. Okay, I still didn't get all the supplies that I needed, but I wanted to try it out, you know, play with it a little bit. And this is my little setup here. Oh, let me see. You cannot really see it. That could look good. Oh no, the sun. What's wrong with the sun? Okay, so this is my little setup, right? And it's in the lanai. So it's not outside where the grass is. At least not yet. But no, seriously, it's in the lanai. So I purchased these on Amazon. Everything that you see here I purchased on Amazon. This is my little shampoo carts. Ew. Okay, this is my bucket. Oh snap. Yeah, this is my bucket that I'll be using. That I also purchased on Amazon. This is the sprayer that one of my subscribers was telling me about. It's called Ivation. I also got this from Amazon. I will definitely try to link everything that I got in the description box, and I will try to make them clickable. Okay, I'm still learning all these things, guys. So
yeah, I just do.
So it comes with a sprayer. Okay, so what you do is kind of fill up this bucket with water, and then you just put the sprayer in here, and then oh snap. Then it'll spray through here, you know, make things easier. So I'm just trying it out to see if it makes life easier for me. As most of you guys know, if you do watch my videos, I will be doing I'll be washing our I'll be washing our hair with distilled water from now on, and I'll be also using like different, like I just found out about this shampoo called chelating shampoo. It's this shampoo is very it's quite expensive in comparison to your regular shampoos, but the chelating shampoo, I saw the brand called Malibu, and it removes deposits, dirt, residue, mineral buildup, leaves the hair shiny. You know, basically it removes everything from your hair. And as most of you guys know, we do have well water. There go that bad boy right there. And so I believe that the well water is actually making our hair fall out, believe it or not. So I had no choice to use distilled gallon water. Okay, so yeah, you know, your girl have to do what she has to do, right? So I will be purchasing this shampoo. I will not be using it right now because I just learned about it today. I'll be purchasing that shampoo soon, and very soon, it depends. Or I could just stick with my Bentonite Clay and my apple cider vinegar, that also, and my aloe, that also removes buildup and deposits on your hair as well. So I might just stick to that. And I don't know how often I have to like kind of not clarify my hair, but like detox my hair or our hair, but we'll see. So today I will be washing my oldest daughter's hair, and just stay tuned for that. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Where you going? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoy and learn from this video. So yeah, I wanted to come in and just inform you guys. I ended up using 6 gallons of water, which one of the gallons I use to kind of refill with hot water. So I heat it up like this. Well, my teapot is heating up now. Okay, I use this whole gallon, so I fill this up twice. Okay, so hopefully that's enough heat. It was enough heat for me, so I hope that it's going to be enough heat for her. And this is our little setup. Don't mind the mess. So this is our little setup. This is the gallon. This is the shampoo bowl. Oh snap, you playing in my water, my brother. No, I need to get you your own bucket with water. Yeah, so that's a shampoo bowl. We're gonna adjust it to her liking. I did purchase a little cushion thing that goes here. I think it's very important for you to have the neck cushion.
Yes, it is. I tried it.
It is. It's coming today, I just don't know when. But, and this is where the water is going to go inside. Like the dirty water is going to go in here, and then we'll discard it in the woods, in the jungle out there, you know. My husband will do that because I'm not lifting that. But yeah, so this is my little shampoo cart like I mentioned earlier on. And yeah, just making life easier, okay, for the kiddos. I would definitely kind of tweak things here and there. I'm still learning as I go, to see what is more, one, cost efficient, two, comfortable for the client, because I am going to use this for my clients too once I get it kind of down pack, I guess. So three, just more easier on me and the clients. This boy is playing in my water. But yeah, I hope this is helpful. I'm learning as I go. Hopefully this is easy peasy, okay? Yeah, let's see. So I think that's about it. So I did forget to mention that I will be detoxing her hair as well, using the same recipe I used in the last video when I was detoxing my hair. So yeah, so you would turn this little machine on, you insert it into the water, and then that's when water would disperse from out of the sprayer. This is very convenient, but one thing I noticed is that the water runs out a lot faster. So eventually I ended up using to, you know, like kind of, I guess not waste that much water. I end up using a little small bath bowl, just to kind of distribute the water a lot slower into the hair so I could get her hair clean without using 1,000 gallons. Okay, so the sprayer is very convenient, but it does take a lot of water. Like a lot of water comes through it, which is not a big deal. But if you want to not use a lot of gallon of water, then I would suggest you using the sprayer only when you're trying to rinse out the deep conditioner from their hair, because it doesn't take that much water to rinse out deep conditioner. But clay, shampoos, even conditioners, sometimes it may take more water to rinse out. So I would suggest you just use the like a cup to kind of rinse all the water out, and then use the sprayer to rinse out the deep conditioner, or maybe even the regular conditioner. So yeah, that's a tip. So this is the point where I was realizing that I was running out of water and the sprayer was kind of spraying out a lot more water than I wanted to. So I ended up using the shower bowl to finish rinsing out her hair. Listen guys, it was a struggle to take that bentonite clay out of her scalp, so I would definitely recommend that you shampoo the scalp first. Okay, shampoo the scalp first and then you go in with the bentonite clay, because if the hair has a lot of grease and buildup, the bentonite clay will definitely stick to the oils and butters that is left in the hair. And yeah, I'm not saying to like wash your hair with shampoo, but just lightly coat the hair with shampoo and then eventually use the bentonite clay to kind of remove all the toxins and stuff out from the hair. And yeah, and then that's it. So right here, I am just doing a simple 10-minute hairstyle. She'll be rocking this style for maybe about a week and a half, or maybe 2 weeks, depending on how busy things get. But it's a protective style. It's a cute style. She didn't like the bun, so the next day she kind of put she kind of did like a lower bun, like a lower messy bun with her hair, which looked really cute. So you know, preteens, they want to do their own thing. Okay. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for the final look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, guys, be blessed. Deuces.